Jacob Chansley, the QAnon shaman seen here in his infamous outfit from the January 6th protests, pled guilty to a felony on Friday. District Judge Royce Lamberth accepted the guilty plea after a very interesting case. I want to show you a couple things from the plea deal. This was the plea offer from the U.S. government. You can see United States versus Jacob Chansley. The original charge, what he's pleading guilty to here, is obstruction of an official proceeding in violation of U.S. code. Government's noting maximum penalty could be up to 20 years imprisonment, but they're going to be asking for less than that. The sentencing guidelines are giving between 41 months and 51 months, which is still a large amount of time for somebody who is just obstructing an official proceeding. Also note that Jacob Chansley has zero criminal history here. We note that $2,000 is going to be required in restitution for him to pay. The total amount of damage they're saying was $1.49 million. Jacob Chansley only has to pay $2,000 of that. We can see over here, this is the statement of the offense in support of the guilty plea. So this is the factual basis that the court wants to see, telling us that Jacob Chansley is somebody who corruptly obstructed, influenced, and impeded an official proceeding in violation of the law. They're going through the same soliloquy that we've seen in prior Capitol Hill cases, telling us that all of this was taking place, of course, in the Capitol building. Jacob Chansley, they're saying, was with the mob that approached the first floor early at 2:13. At 2:20 p.m., members of the House were evacuated. At 2:16, other members, including Jacob Chansley, stormed into the Capitol building, and they were there all the way up until about 3:09. So from about 2:13 to about 3:09, less than an hour, they were there. U.S. government says this is very, very dangerous, and therefore he needs to be punished. That is the plea deal and the statement of the offense signed by Kimberly J. Paschal. We're going to see where Jacob Chansley ends up after he is sentenced in November.